What did Glenn Seaborg have for lunch? Fish and chips.
Moving, staying in place. So, hi, staying in place.
Wait a minute. Let me try that again. Piece of paper, mouth of the Gatorade bottle. I'm going to blow the piece of paper into the Gatorade bottle. Ready?
Sometimes we're trying to pursue that, not because we're robots, but because it fulfills something deep within our souls.
And then part of my personal symbol set that I've been using for years are arrows. Arrows and hearts. And
then it would expand outward at the speed of light, or about the speed of light, and just destroy everything in its path.
You can make me go to my room, but you can't make me go to sleep. Which probably would have been true, except my dad was an anesthesiologist. So then that's where I pause and wait for your laugh. But I'm going to be waiting a long time.
Hi, I'm Mike Headley. I'm the lab director here at SURF. I want to extend my sincerest thanks to our major corporate sponsors, Black Hills Energy and RCS Construction of Rapid City. Special thanks also go out to Monument Health, the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology, Black Hills State University, and South Dakota Public Broadcasting. We have a number of in-kind sponsors as well. Halgo Broadcasting, Home Slice Media Group, KVN Black Hills Fox, Kellerland TV, Simpsons Printing, Mile Up Marketing, and Allied Arts Council. Thank you all for your support.